doll collectors and gift givers. This is a My Froggy Stuff Etsy shop review. Today we are taking a look at LogansLocker718. I love shopping on Etsy, big fan, because it is a great way to find unique items for the dolls. Shipping was pretty fast. I was just slow picking things up from the post office. Oh, wow! I ordered quite a few dresses, and I was not expecting for the skirts to be so full. I mean, I saw pictures and I was like, okay, that looks pretty, but in person, wow. Everything is individually packaged in resealable bags, which is great for storage. I feel like I got something for all year round. I think this floral dress is great for spring and summer. Let's open it up and take it out. Priced at $33, we have some very neat stitching here. Keep in mind, prices can change. Don't mind me, I'm just checking out the stitching. What? Don't act like you don't do it. There is a zigzag stitch along the raw edge, which is great because it will reduce fraying. And I see 3 sewn straight lines, so that is on there. There is a top stitch above the gathered ruffle, so everything will lay nice and flat. There is a nice, neat bodice with snaps in the back. 3 gathered sections make up the skirt for this dress, and it's pretty neat in the back. Not a lot of overlap here. I am so guilty of having way too much overlap in my dresses, so I'm impressed. While you're over there gushing about stitching, I'm gonna try this on. Oh yeah, this is adorable. It's a floor-length dress with a pattern that goes all the way around, so the dolls can look their best from all angles. Just imagine sitting in a field of wildflowers in this dress. Can you picture it? Yeah, I am definitely adding this to my spring/summer wardrobe. And because we love to have a little orange in our Etsy shop reviews, I picked up this Mandarin dress for $33. It has a long floor-length skirt with a ruffle at the bottom, a wide waistband with a V-neck. The straps continue over to the back and attach at the wide waistband. Yo, I look great in orange, just saying. And I find the cut of this neckline very flattering. You know what? I wouldn't mind having this dress in a few more colors. That's why I bought it in dark denim. Oh, wow. Look at the inside, y'all. A denim dress is perfect for the summer. It's a soft denim, so it lays nicely. It gathers at the waist with a deep V-neck at the top and has golden brown stitching. I am digging these long skirts. It's the kind of skirt where you can just kind of pull it at the bottom and make it look like it's blowing in the wind. This dress was $34.99, and I think it's perfect for summer outings. As we move into fall, here is a knit dress. I paid $24. It has a nice little stretch and closes with snaps in the back. Ooh, this is like a pumpkin kind of color, or maybe like a golden mustard, kind of saffron-y. It's a turtleneck with long sleeves. It has a loose contour fit and stops a little above the knee. Wow, I got a lot of stuff for myself. Probably should have bought something for my husband. Oh, I know, matching outfits. Here you go. Try that on. For $33, we have plaid pants that are designed to fit our Integrity Toys guy. Nice long legs, no high waters here. They are fitted pants, but there's enough room to sit without opening in the back. They close with snaps in the back. And we have pockets! Oh yeah! But is the pocket sewn? So we're gonna do our little pocket test here. And it stops! The bottom is sewn, so yeah, we can safely put our miniature cell phone in the pocket. We have a matching knit sweater for $24. It has a high neck, just like the sweater dress, long sleeves with cuffs, and a rim around the bottom. I like the length of the sleeves, but I'll probably keep them pushed up because I like seeing the folds in the fabric. I think it's a pretty nice outfit. And the fact that they match? Too cute! Yeah, this is their official look for the fall holidays. Speaking of holidays, I bought this shirt dress for $40. It's a very rich wine kind of color. It feels like a cotton fabric. The edges are nice and neat on the other side. Oh, I really like that. The material was folded twice and then sewn. So I don't see any visible raw edges on the bottom of this dress. We have folded over cuffs on the sleeves, a nice wide collar, it crosses in the front, and we have a belt tied at the waist. I think this rich color will look great during the winter holidays, officially giving us a look for all seasons. From dresses to sweaters. Don't you just look adorable? Finding clothes for our guys is always a plus. I found everything pretty easy to get on. I had no problems dressing the dolls. And I am not ashamed to admit, I love matching couples outfits. So there you have it. LogansLocker718 on Etsy, and you can check out more fashion items at About Logan on Instagram. Thank you for joining us while we checked out another Etsy shop featuring doll fashion. Let us know in the comments down below which Etsy shops you would like for us to take a look at next. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!